Go beyond texture. Create 2D, 3D textures, and true full-color 3D prints, all with one machine. Meet the HeyGears G1X, the world's first desktop full-color 3D and UV printer. Now, you can create vivid, full-color 3D models right at home. The G1X prints full color and transparency in one go. Powered by an Epson printhead and 3,200 nozzles. Deliver rich, true-to-life color. At just 10 to 20 microns per layer, the G1X captures the smallest details with exceptional precision. Simply submerge finished prints in water. The supports dissolve away for easy, clean removal. The G1X jets color ink and UV cures each layer. No manual painting needed. A spacious build volume gives you more room to bring your biggest ideas to life. With HeyGears, a single photo can become a full-color 3D model. Even beginners can get started with ease. Print with peace of mind. Built-in filtration helps keep the air cleaner and your workspace more comfortable throughout every print. For small studios and growing businesses, the G1X turns creative ideas into higher value products. Start with a customer's photos, turn them into custom artwork, and move straight into batch production. The modular setup lets you expand into personalized products across a wide range of materials and types. Even after the workday ends, the G1X stays prepared for what comes next. Automatic cleaning and printhead heating help reduce the risk of nozzle clogs, so the printer is ready for your next print. Every spark of inspiration is ready to become reality with the G1X. The G1X measures substrate height with a laser, then uses line scan imaging to capture its dimensions and edge details, ensuring precise alignment and accurate printing. True-to-life color makes every detail stand out.
Wow!
This is the future of making. Beyond texture, full-color 3D printing made for everyone. The HeyGears G1X.